Welcome student. Now we continue straight line and this is third lecture. Now we just try to reduce the general form of straight line equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 to other forms. That form may be reduction to slope intercept form, second it may be reduction to intercept form, and third it may be reduction to normal form. So first reduction to slope intercept form. So equation in general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Slope intercept form is what? This is y is equal to mx plus c. So this can be written as by is equal to minus ax minus c. This implies y is equal to minus a by b x and minus c by b. Now we compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus c. So here this m is equal to minus a by b and c is equal to minus c by b. It means this line ax plus by plus c having slope minus a by b and intersect y-axis at minus c by b. So in this way we can reduce any general equation in y is equal to mx plus c form. Now next reduction, that is reduction to intercept form. Again we have equation in general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So intercept form is what? This is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So we write it as ax plus by equal to minus c. Now in right side we have 1 only. So divide both sides by minus c. So when you divide both sides by minus c, we will get minus a by c x minus b by c y equal to 1. Now we arrange this equation like this: minus c by a plus y minus c by b equal to 1. So when you compare this equation with x by a plus y by b equal to 1, you will get a is equal to minus c by a and b is equal to minus c by b. It means by reducing this equation x plus by plus c equal to 0 in this form, we get this line intersect x-axis at minus c by 0 and y-axis at 0 minus c by b. It means x intercept minus c by and y intercept minus c by b. So this is the benefit of reduction of x plus by plus c into x by a plus y b equal to 1. Now third one is very important, that is how to reduce ax plus by plus c equal to 0 in normal form. Normal form means x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, means we can write it as minus p equal to 0. Now compare these two equations. So when you compare these two equations, we will get a by cos alpha equal to b by sin alpha equal to minus c by p. Let this is equal to k. So A is equal to k cos alpha, B is equal to k sin alpha, and C is equal to minus pk, or P is equal to minus C by k. Squaring these two and add. So A square plus B square is equal to k square cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to k square as sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1. K is equal to what? K is equal to plus minus root under a square plus b square. Now we have C is equal to minus pk. So C is equal to minus pk. C is equal to minus pk. This implies P is equal to minus C by k is equal to minus C by plus minus root under a square plus b square. So we have two cases. So case 1, when C less than 0, then P is equal to C by minus root under a square plus b square. And second, when C greater than 0, then P is equal to C by square root a square plus b square, but this is positive. So in this way we can reduce x plus by plus c in normal form, and this p is nothing but the distance of line from origin. This p will give the distance of line from origin. So finally we reduce ax plus by plus c equal to 0 implies plus minus a by root under a square plus b square x plus minus b by root under a square plus b square y is equal to root under a square plus b square, c by root under a square plus b square. So this is the reduction of general equation in normal form. Now we have some example on various forms of equation of straight lines. So first problem is find the equation of straight line through the point minus 1, 2, making an angle of 135 degree with the x-axis. So this line making angle 135 degree with the x-axis. So given theta equal to 135 degree. So this implies m is equal to tan theta, means tan 135 degree, and tan 135 degree is equal to minus 1. So slope of this line is minus 1. And since this line is passing through minus 1, 2, so line passing through minus 1 minus 2 y minus y1 mx minus x1 means by using point slope form implies y plus 2 equal to minus 1 x plus 1. So x plus y plus 3 equal to 0 is the required equation of line. Now find the equation of line passing through 2, 3 and making equal intercept on the coordinate axis. Means the situation is like this. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is 0. We have to find the equation of this line which makes equal intercept. This is A and this is B, means coordinate of this point is A0 and this point is 0. And this line passing through some point P2. What will be the equation of this line? So since intercept is equal, so we use intercept form. Let intercepts are A and A according to question. So equation of line in intercept form is x by A plus y by A equal to 1. This implies x plus y equal to A. Now this line x plus y equal to A passing through 2, 3. So say this is line L. So line L passing through 2, 3, it means this point must satisfy the equation of line. So 2 plus 3 equal to A. This implies A is equal to 5. So this line makes equal intercept A equal to 5 and A equal to 5. So equation of line is x by 5 plus y by 5 equal to 1. This implies x plus y equal to 5. Now another example, that is find the equation of line passing through the point 1, 2 and 0, 5. Given line L passing through say A12 and B05. So equation of line AB. So equation of line AB by using 2-point form, or you can find slope of this line. So just find slope of line. So slope of line AB y2 minus y1 means 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 by x2 minus x1. So 0 minus 1 means minus 3. Now you just take either A12 or B05. So say this line passing through A12. So equation of line AB passing through 1 to A12 with slope -3 is again point slope form. So y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y minus 2 minus 3 x minus 1. So this implies 3x plus y and minus 5 equal to 0. So in this way we can find equation of line passing through any 2 points. Now another example. Determine the equation of line with alpha equal to 135 degree and perpendicular distance p equal to root 2 from the origin. Here alpha is what? Alpha is we have to find the equation of this line. And what is given? This p is given and this alpha is given. This 2 information is given and this is 90 degree. P means normal or perpendicular from origin to the line L. So given alpha is equal to 135 degree and p is equal to root 2. So equation of line L x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p means x cos 135 degree plus y sin 135 degree equal to p. So x cos 135 degree equal to minus 1 by root 2. So this is minus x by root 2 plus sin 135 degree 1 by root 2. So y by root 2 is equal to root 2. So this implies minus x plus y is equal to 2. So x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 is the equation of line when these two information is given. Now another example. Find the angle between the line when the equation of two line is given as 3x plus y minus 7 equal to 0, x plus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. So given L1, line 1 is 3x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 and L2 x plus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. So slope is what? So m1 is equal to minus 3 and m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. We just reduce this two equation in slope intercept form and we'll get the value of. Purpose of this problem is how to reduce and get the value of m1 and m2. And when we get the value of m1 and m2, then it is very easy. Let theta be the angle between line L1 and L2. So tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to mod minus 3 plus 1 by 2 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So minus 6, this will becomes minus 5 by 2, and this is 5 by 2 and mod. We will get plus minus 1. So plus minus tan theta equal to plus minus 1. When you open the mod, we will get plus minus 1. So this sign plus will give the acute angle and this minus sign will give the obtuse angle. The angle between, so when tan theta equal to 1, this implies theta equal to pi by 4, and when tan theta equal to minus 1, then theta equal to 3 pi by 4. So we just find the value of acute angle. We'll give the value of obtuse angle also. So in this way we can find the angle between two lines now. Another example is, we have to reduce this equation x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 to perpendicular, and hence find the length of the perpendicular from the origin on the straight line. So given equation, x plus root 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to root 3, and c is equal to 4. So length of perpendicular, first of all reduce the equation in normal form. So a square plus b square is equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So square root of a square plus b square is equal to plus minus 2. Since c is positive, since c is greater than 0, this implies square root of a square plus b square is plus 2. Equation in normal form a by root under a square plus b square x plus b by root under a square plus b square y is equal to cy, यानी p So C by means 4 by root under A square plus B square. This implies the value of A is 1 by 2 x plus, and the value of B is root 3 by 2 y is equal to, and the value of C is 4 by 2. So this is what x cos pi by 3 plus y sin pi by 3 is equal to 2. So alpha is equal to pi by 3 and p is equal to 2. So this is what? This is distance of line, perpendicular distance of line from origin. So in this way we can reduce any equation in normal form. Now another example. Find the equation of a straight line which passes through the point -1, 3 and is perpendicular to the line 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. It means we have to find the equation of line. Say this is a line. Say this is a line, and we have to find the equation of this line which passing through P -1, 3 and perpendicular to this line 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Say this line is L, or say L1, and the line whose equation we have to find, say this is L2. So slope of L1 given equation of line, L1 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So slope of L1 that is M1 is equal to -4 by 3. -4 by 3. Since L1 perpendicular to L2 according to question, so slope of, it means, say the slope of this line is M1 and slope of this line is M2. So these two lines are perpendicular, so M1 cross M2 is equal to -1. This implies M2 is equal to -1 by M1 means 3 by 4. Now for this line L2 we have slope is known and this line passing through P -1, 2. So equation of line L2 passing through P minus 1, 3 is y minus y1 यानी y minus 3 equal to 3 by 4 x plus 1. This implies 4y minus 12 equal to 3x plus 3. This implies 3x minus 4y plus 15 equal to 0. So in this way we can find the perpendicular line to the given line. We can also find the line parallel to given line by using the concept when line is parallel to given line, then slope is equal and rest is same. Now find the equation of line which passes through the point 3,1 and bisect the portion of line 3x plus 4y equal to 12 intercepted between coordinate axes. So we have to find the equation of line which passes through the point 3,1 and bisect the portion of line means this line is 3x plus 4y plus 12. 3x plus 4y equal to 12. This line is, say this line is L1 is 3x plus 4y equal to 12. The portion of line between coordinate axes is AB. So given line 3x plus 4y equal to 12. So reduce this line in intercept form. So when you reduce this line in intercept form, divide both sides by 12. So when you divide both sides by 12, it means this is x by 4 plus y by 3 equal to 1. It means A is equal to what? A is equal to 4, 0 and B is equal to 0, 3. We have to find the equation of, say, this line which passes through the point 3,1, passes through the point, say this point is 3,1 and bisect the portion of line. It means this point, say this point is say Q. This Q is midpoint of AB. This Q is, so according to question, PQR line, say this is line L2. Line L2 bisect L1 at Q. So Q is the midpoint. So Q is the midpoint of AB. So coordinate of Q is what? Coordinate of Q is 4 plus 0 by 2 and 0 plus 3 by 2. That is Q 2, 3 by 2. The equation of line L2 can be easily found because we have 2 points of this line is known. That is Q 2, 3, 2 and P 3, 1. Now PQ Now line L2, that is PQ, passing through P31 and Q 3/2. Slope of PQ y2 minus y1 means 3/2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3. So this is 1/2 and minus 1 means minus 1/2. So equation of line, equation of PQ, y minus 1 minus 1/2 x minus 3 implies 2y minus 2 equal to minus x plus 3. So x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Next problem. By using the concept of equation of line, prove that 3 points 30, minus 2 minus 2 and 8 2 are collinear. So say the 3 points are given 3 points A30, B minus 2 minus 2 and C 8 2. So first of all, find the equation of line AB. So equation of AB, equation of AB y minus 0 equal to zero minus 2 by 0 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 and x minus 3. Then this is slope of line AB. So y minus 0 means y is equal to 2 by 5 and x minus 3 implies 5y equal to 2x minus 6. This implies 2x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. Now check whether this point C82 satisfy this equation or not. So put x equal to 8 and y equal to 2 in the equation of line. So 2 into 8 minus 5 into 2 minus 6 equal to 16 minus 16 equal to 0. Hence C82 satisfied the equation. So C82 lies on the line AB. So C82 lies on the line it means all these 3 points A, B, C are collinear. So in this way we can check whether the points are collinear or not by using the concept of equation of line. Now find the equation of line passing through 1, 2 and making an angle 30 degree with the y-axis. So what is given? This is x, this is y-axis, and this is 0. So this line makes angle 30 degree with the y-axis. It means situation is like this. So this angle is what? This angle is 30 degree. Line L makes 30 degree with y-axis. So if this angle is 30 degree, it means this angle is also 30 degree. So this angle is what? This angle is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So this line L makes 60 degree with the x-axis. So this implies L makes 60 degree with x-axis. So slope equal to tan 60 degree means root 3. So equation of line, so equation of L which passing through P12 L passing through P12 is y minus 2 equal to root 3 x minus 1. So this implies root 3x minus y plus 1 plus 2 minus root 3 equal to 0. So root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 equal to 0. Here 2 minus root 3 is the value of c. So this is the equation of line for the given formation. Now another problem. The perpendicular from the origin to the line y equal to mx plus c meet it at the point minus 1, 2. Find the value of m and c. So again, this is situation like this. This is say L, y equal to mx plus c, y is equal to mx plus c, and meet at perpendicular. So this is origin, this is y-axis, x-axis. So perpendicular from this origin this meet at minus 1, 2. So this information is given and we have to find the value of this m and c. So slope of OP is equal to y2 minus y1 means say 0 minus 2 by 0 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Equal to my slope of this OP is minus 2. So equation of slope of OP is minus 2, since this OP is perpendicular to L. Since OP is perpendicular to L, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So slope of L is equal to minus 1 by, say this is m1. So minus 1 by m1 is equal to 1 by 2. And say this slope of L is m2. So equation of line L y minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 x plus 1, because the slope of this line L is 1 by 2 and this line passing through P minus 1, 2. So this implies 2y minus 4 is equal to x plus 1. This implies 2y is equal to x plus 5. This implies y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 5 by 2. Now compare this with y equal to mx plus c. So this implies m is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to 5 by 2. So in this way we can find the value of m and c of the line L. Now another problem, that is the point P12 and R0 minus 1 are the two opposite vertices of rhombus PQRS. Find the equation of the diagonal QS. So vertices of rhombus is given, that is only two vertices given. This is so rhombus is a parallelogram whose all the sides are equal. Now we have given P, Q, R, S. So P12 and R 0 minus 1. And we have to find the equation of diagonal QS. Equation of diagonal QS equal to what? We know that the diagonal of rhombus bisect each other and perpendicular to each other. Means diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. It means this angle is 90 degree. And this point, say O, is the midpoint of both PR and QS. And this O obviously lies on both diagonals. In the figure, O is the midpoint of PR. So coordinate of O is 1 plus 0 by 2 and 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. One information about this diagonal QS is now known, that 1 point 1 by 2 lies on this QS. Now slope of this PR, say this is M, is equal to y2 minus y1. So say 2 plus 1 by 1 minus 0. So slope of PR is 3. Since this PR is perpendicular to QS, so slope of QS is equal to minus 1 by 3. This diagonal QS having slope minus 1 by 3 and passing through point 1 by 2. So this point is 1 by 2. So equation of diagonal QS, y minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 x minus 1 by 2 implies so this is 2y minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 3, 2x minus 1 by 2, 2 cancel. So this is what? This is 6y minus 6y plus 3 minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. This implies 2x plus 6y and minus 4 equal to 0, and when you simplify it, you will get x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0 will be the equation of diagonal QS. Okay, we discuss in another section. Okay, thank you.